All right, looks like we have everyone back, so let's try this again. Before we get started, want to give a quick shout out to Noah, Gavin, and JJ, because when I walked into their breakout room, they're all talking and having some really interesting mathematical discussion, and I was very impressed. So shout out to you all, keep up the good work, and let's go ahead and get started with our sharing of our answers. So again, when I call on someone from your group, I want you to give me your answer for part A and for part B. And if you don't know the answer, then I need you to at least explain to me where you got stuck so we can go from there. All right? That's my expectation. All right, JJ, why don't you go ahead and share out from your group what was your part A and what was your part B?
Our part A was like we had all different types of slopes and that's different equations, so we all got different answers.
Okay, and why do you think you guys got different answers?
Because we all had different we all picked different points and stuff.
Okay, that's okay. What was your equation then?
I chose the 14.2 and $215.
Mm-hmm. And then so
And
what did you get for your equation?
then I got stuck after that.
Okay, so remember, once you choose your 2 points, you need to find the slope. Were you able to find the slope?
No.
Okay, so you have to use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So see if you can do that while I go through the other groups, and we'll come back to you.
Okay.
But I liked the discussion. Good job. All right, Nick, what did you all get for your part A and your part B?
For my equation, I
Mm-hmm.
did y equals 50x minus 495.
Okay,
So I did the first 2 points.
that sounds good. Okay, and then what did you get for part B?
The slope was 50.
And what does that mean?
Isn't that like with the temperature, the ice cream sales increase, like the
Yeah,
higher degree Celsius?
exactly.
Okay.
So it's like every degree that your temperature increases for you, you're saying the ice cream sales are increasing by 50 because $50 because that's what your slope was, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So that's what it means. Cool. Thank you for sharing. All right, let's go to Amani. Amani, what did your group get for part A and part B?
I don't even know. I was trying to figure it out by myself, but I'm still working on mine.
Okay.
So I don't know what they got, but I'm still working on mine.
So again, remember when we work in groups, we should be talking about what answers we're getting, and if we're stuck, that's why we're in groups to ask questions. So I'm going to give you some time. I'll come back to your group, and if you want to chat with your group members and see what they got, then do that in the meantime, and I'll come back to you. All right, Clervins, what did you all get for part A and for part B?
For part A, my it's y equals 50 minus 4 9, and
Clervins,
then for part
you're still on mute, Clervins.
my slope was y equals 50 minus 495,
Okay.
and for part B, I said 50.
Good. And again, you want to include the words so that it's the increase in sales per degree Celsius. Last thing, make sure in your equation after the slope that you have an x, because I didn't hear an x, so it should be 50x. But other than that, sounds good.
All right.
Good job. All right, Conrad, you're up. What did your group get for part A and for part B?
For part A, the slope is the equation is y equals 31.2x minus 186.5.
Good.
That's the risk route. And the slope is 31.2x. And we didn't discuss what it represents, but it basically represents y-intercept represents this. Yeah, we didn't get to discuss what it represents. I don't know how to describe it.
So you don't have to describe or explain what the y-intercept represents, but the slope, again, represents the increase in sales per degree Celsius. So if your slope was 31.2, I think you said, that means that for every degree that you go up, that you increase, your ice cream sales are going to increase by $31.
Mm,
Does that make sense?
yes, gotcha.
All right. Good job. The last group, denim, go ahead. What'd you guys get?
Oh, look, nigga. So for the first one, we got y minus 185 equals 32.5 parentheses x negative 11.9 parentheses.
Okay, so you're almost there. You just didn't finish it by solving for y. So you need to make sure that you're distributing the slope to the,
Oh, it's like I was like y equals 32.5 x negative 201.75.
that sounds a lot better. Good. And then part B, what is the slope and what does it represent?
For every 32 point for every $32.05, the temperature increased by 1.
Switch it around. So for every increase in temperature, every degree increase in temperature, you're increasing sales by 32 or whatever you said. Good.
Yeah.
All right, Amani, you ready for me? Thanks for sharing.
I guess.
All right, what'd you get?
So for so I chose my 2 lines, my 2 points, and then we're supposed to do the the m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and so I chose my 2 points, and I got 50, but I don't know if that's right.
That's good. So you're on the right track, but now you have to plug that slope in to point.
And that's what I was doing right now, but I didn't finish that part yet.
Okay, cool. Just message me what you end up getting for that. And I think that is it. All right, good job, guys. Round 2 was a lot better, so well done. Thank you for participating. The second time around, we're going to be doing group work a lot, especially now that we're doing virtual learning. I think it's a way for us to connect, especially when we don't get to see each other in person. So whether you like it or not, we're going to be doing it a lot. So we should get some practice in and get good at it. All right, we didn't get a chance to do Kahoot Classic, so hopefully we'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. Before I let you go, here are your assignments for tonight. So you have 1.3 part 2. That's going to be due tonight at 11:59. There's also a 1.1 to 1.3 quiz that I assigned you today. It's not an actual quiz. It's just going to go in as a regular homework assignment, but it's a review from everything we've done so far. And that will be tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. Everyone's going to get random questions for that. So it's a trial run to see because I haven't used this quiz feature before. So you guys are going to be my guinea pigs for that. Remember to bring your graphing calculator tomorrow. If you don't have access to a graphing calculator, please email me and let me know what your situation is. Otherwise, I'm going to assume that you'll have it for tomorrow. And then lastly, make sure to go on Canvas and print out your notes for tomorrow. It's all up there. There's also going to be some graphing calculator instructions that you should print out as well. Any questions before we leave? Okay, you are welcome to log off. I'll stick around until the end of the period and a few more minutes after to answer any questions. But I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.
I have a question about the assignment.
Yeah.
Are you gonna like re-upload it for me again?
Oh, right, Ida. Let me do that right now.
Okay.
And after she's done, I gotta talk to you.
Okay, cool. All right, Ida, you can log off. I got you. And then JJ, what's
So like all the work that I need to catch up on,
that? Mm-hmm.
like how would I be able to access that? Do I have to like print the papers off, or the papers are gonna be the homework is like in Canvas? Because when I click on the papers on the thing, it says I have to download it and stuff.
Okay, so two things. So the notes are all on like a PDF, so you can either print it out if you have a printer, or you'll have to copy it by hand. Do you have a printer?
Yes.
Okay, so I usually post it the night before, so you were able to see, right, how it's organized by date.
Right.
Okay, so just print out the notes for the date that it corresponds with. So that takes care of the notes. The assignments are all on Big Ideas Math. Have you used Big Ideas Math before?